Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for green smoothie. You probably must have heard of fruit smoothies or even vegetable smoothies. So why green smoothies? Green leaves are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, which means they include tons of vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, which are really essential for the function of our body. So I'm just going to take a simple blender here. I just have a mixie grinder here. You can use any blender that you have. A NutriBullet or a Vitamix works really well as too. But if you don't have those and you have a simple blender like this or a grinder like this, that works fine too. So I'm just going to take my blender and I'm going to add in my bananas. So these bananas are frozen, so they're nice and cold. I'm adding 2 bananas, like I said, or 2 cups worth, and here I have a cup full of greens which I have packed down. So it's a cup full of packed greens. You can use any of the greens like I mentioned. And we're going to add some water. So I'm going to add about 1 cup of water. Okay. And all we're going to do is blend all of this together and we have a nice, delicious, creamy drink. So you can see how delicious and creamy our green smoothie is. This is how you want your smoothie to be. Really creamy and delicious. The greens, you will not taste them at all. You must be wondering how this tastes like. It looks really green and very unappetizing to some people. But trust me, once you taste it, you will not look back. You will want to make this every single day. And once you start feeling good, you'll start craving for your green smoothies. We have a couple of rules that you need to follow when you're making your green smoothies. We do not add nuts or seeds. Again, the digestion time for nuts and seeds could take longer. So that's why we do not add nuts and seeds. We also do not recommend adding melons to your smoothies. Melons are very rich in water. They digest really fast. For example, watermelon, sweet melon, they're about 80-90% water and they digest really fast. So we do not recommend adding them to your green smoothies. You can make a smoothie with just melons and greens, that's fine. But do not mix melons with other fruits. And one last one is about spinach. Spinach you can use about 2 times a week, not more than that, because they are high in oxalates and they might cause trouble. So these are the only rules that we have that you should keep in mind before making your smoothie. So I'm just going to pour it into a glass now. And this is for 1 person, so I'm going to enjoy this. You can see how creamy and delicious it is. And trust me, you will not taste the greens. The fruits make it really sweet and yummy. And kids love them too. I have 2 young children and both of them enjoy their green smoothies in the morning. I don't give them a glass of milk. Instead, I give them a boost of nutrition with green smoothies. And trust me, it makes a big difference. Thank you very much.